If you are thinking of starting a slow bar cafe using Moka pots, very little investment, niche, trendy, and delicious tasting coffee, Moka pots are the way to go. Let's take a look at the gadgets that we will need. Moka pot. If you're using a regular Moka pot, you must have a matching stove top. I'm using an electric hot plate here. If you have an electric Moka pot, easier, plug and play, and you need a coffee grinder. It is better to have grinder because your coffee will be freshly ground, freshly brewed. If you're going to buy ground coffee, make sure they are medium grind and buy only small amounts so they will always be fresh. And you also need a scale because you really need to make sure that your coffee taste is consistent. You need a coffee scoop. If you don't have a scale, you can simply use a coffee scoop. 1 scoop of coffee beans is about 7 to 8 grams. And we need a steaming pitcher. Well, this is a frothing pitcher. And we need a milk frother. This is for cappuccino and also for the macchiato drinks. So I'm using an electric milk frother here. And of course, you need the recipes. The recipes which are in my book, The Basic Barista. If you would like details on how much water to coffee ratio or water to cup size to Moka pot size ratio, please check out my video tutorial above and it will show you everything you need to know about using the Moka pot. For the milk foam, I'm going to use a steaming jug and I'm going to use my electric milk frother. Froth the milk. Make sure your milk is very cold, and this might take a little bit longer. Make sure that your milk doubles in size and is nearly full. You can see the texture of the milk is very silky and very foamy. Okay? That is the perfect milk foam. What you need to do with this is to pop this in the refrigerator or your ice box, and then we can bring it out later. This is the 16 ounces cup just to show you, and this is 22 ounces. We are going to make 22 ounces cups. moment of truth. I'm going to try each one of them. Okay, my cappuccino. Definitely strong coffee. I love this one. It's what cappuccino lovers would love. Now this is my mocha. And the taste is perfect, balance between the chocolate and the coffee. Strong coffee. I can still taste the coffee. Yeah. And caramel macchiato. This is such a gigantic cup, 22 ounces. Some people do love their coffee a lot, so not for me though, it's quite big. Some of you have been asking me, how much syrup do you put in your drink? My coffee drinks, I don't overpower it with syrup, so I just give it that touch of caramel, and so I balance that with my milk syrup. So maybe some of you might be able to also save money by using the milk syrup and your caramel syrup combination. This is perfect. And my latte, for those that just want their coffee drink milky without any other flavor, this is the perfect choice for you. And I love the color, but the size is even too big for my hands. Beautiful color, very, very tempting. For these 4 drinks, I think I prefer this the most. Just a perfect blend with the milk and the coffee. Perfectly brewed using Moka pots. Start your slow bar cafe. Use the recipes that I have here along with all other recipes that I have in my book, The Basic Barista. For today, that's all I want to share with you. Stay safe, stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Ciao for now.